Remember, City Park Festival Grounds, beignetfest.com. You might remember the skateboard from the skateboard that hovered over the movie Back to the Future. Well, the future is actually here. We're making a homemade hovercraft in today's Sci-Fi STEM NOLA lesson. Welcome back to STEM NOLA Studios. I'm here today with Jazmine Crockett, Education Manager at STEM NOLA, and she is going to teach me how to use household items to make a hovercraft. I'm really excited about this one, Jazmine. Tell me what we need first.
So you just need a cap that's wide enough to cover the opening of a CD. So obviously you need a CD.
Okay.
All right. We need a balloon. We have some stuff to decorate it. We cut out a piece of cardboard for this. And we also have some little cotton balls to make it colorful as you like. And also you're gonna need some tape just in case you don't have any sticky dots.
Show me step one.
So for this one, if you want to decorate yours, you're going to cut out your piece of paper and glue it there. But we're going to skip that step since we already have a colorful one here.
That's right.
All right, so we're going to take the sticky dots.
Sticky dots.
And you want to stick it on either end of the hole for the CD.
All right, so I'm putting the sticky dots on.
Awesome.
Trying to get the other side of the sticky dot.
That's always the hard part.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys have nails. All right, so now you're going to take the cap off the bottle cap.
And I love how we're using recycled materials. These are things that you could just not throw away and end up reusing into an experiment.
Exactly, and just push it down right onto the hole. Make sure you get that good seal.
Okay.
All right.
It feels
pretty stuck. Yeah, feels pretty stuck. All right, now you're gonna take your balloon and you're going to blow it up.
All right. More?
More. Depending on how much you want it to move. You want to move a lot, then.
That's right, and then
twist it.
And then we're gonna twist it.
Now, twisting it helps so that the air doesn't release before you put it on a bottle cap.
The balloon over the bottle cap.
Exactly.
But the bottle cap is shut. So this is kind of the neat trick, right?
Exactly.
Once you open the bottle cap, then the hovercraft hovers.
It hovers, exactly.
And like we said before, your kids can decorate it with whatever they want. Just decorate the top of the CD. That won't mess it up at all. Okay, should I do it?
So, let's move this stuff out of the way. So
okay. So we can watch it move. You do yours too.
Okay, same
There'll be a hovercraft battle.
Okay, great. 3. Uh-oh, mine came off.
Oh no!
Oh!
So you can
mine's falling off the table.
You can see how it kind of moved around with the air releasing. And I think one of the best things about this project is you can take the balloon off and do it again.
And do it again.
You know, so you shut the cap back, blow the balloon back up. The more air you put in, the longer the hovercraft will last.
So the reason why we use a cap like this is so that we can direct the air into one direction.
And what age group would you say this is good for?
I could say maybe 3rd grade and above.
Yeah.
Being able to blow the balloon up and have the lung capacity to blow it up might be a hard thing for a little kid.
Maybe the parents can help with that for the little ones.
Yeah, maybe so.
Okay, we're gonna try again. Let's see these hovercrafts go.
There we go.
Look how cool. That is so fun. Jazmine, thank you so much. This is a great project for families to do at home or to come out and see you guys on one of your STEM NOLA Saturdays, one of your STEM Fest things. It would be a great time to come out and see this demonstration as well as others. So STEM NOLA, check them out. STEM NOLA is located at 4910 Drexel Drive, and you can find them online at stemnola.com.